Hello guys, Nulufix here. So this is a Vauxhall Insignia. So what is the problem with this car? Well, you have a strange noise between 1,000 and 1,500 RPM. So if you put your foot down, we can hear well, what I can explain, it looks like exhaust. Something wrong with the exhaust, a leak or something, and then it does a horrible noise. But I'm already, before I have this car in here, this lady come over and I was investigating. I can see nothing wrong with the exhaust at all. First I was thinking the flywheel play up because it's in under acceleration, and other things like the drive shaft. So I don't know, it's a little bit bizarre sound. So I will show you now what really happened. The thing is, if you try to rev it when the car is not moving, the noise don't appear. Okay, the noise don't come on. No, it don't happen. But you will see now what I'm talking about. So just listen. Like you can see, it's a strange sound. Have a listen again. I don't know if you can hear, but I think you can hear. It's like a blah 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 blah. It's a very loud sound, you know, it's horrible. So I will show you how to repair it. Sorry guys, I have to do the sound again because of the wind you can't really notice, so listen that. I go past this. So listen, I will do now. So did you hear? Is that horrible sound? The thing is, I'm driving holding the phone is a little bit not safe. Well, here is private place, but anyway, listen. Can you hear that rattling noise? See? It's under load. So yeah, this is what we have to find out. What is the cause? So the problem of this car, this Insignia, is this. So this is the new part I have to fit. This is the alternator running free running pulley. So what's happened if this alternator, this is seized, okay, so the clutch not working anymore, and between the 1,000 and 1,500 RPM, so it's some load on alternator, and then the belt just flapping around. So how I did find out was this the problem? Well, I checked all the car around, I checked the DPF, I checked the EGR cooler pipes because they tend to break on this car, I checked the intercooler pipes because they sometimes break on this car. And then the only thing was left, I said, okay, wait a minute. So I believe, let's try take this belt off. So I take the alternator belt out, took the car for a drive, and the noise gone. I said, okay. Then when I checked the alternator pulley, it was seized. So it can't really spin free, the alternator. So yes, this is the problem, guys. So if you have this sound similar, between 1,000 and 1,500 RPM, is this. This is the problem, okay? So now we'll show you how to replace this. Of course you will need, you have two options. So you got you can replace the alternator. You can replace the alternator, or you can buy this kit. So then this kit, you can use it to take this pulley out from the alternator. So what I will try to do is not remove the alternator of this car, but for some cases you need to remove the alternator. So let's see if we can do this in a car. Okay guys, so the alternator is out, and I will tell you something. This Insignias, the alternator come out actually quite easy. One bolt in here, one bolt goes in here, and another one got some bracket, so you have to undo both. The top one is just a little bit, you have to undo. This one you have to take completely off, and the alternator jump out. There it is. Even it's still hot being in the car. Right, so the tools I will use for this is the ones. Of course on the box you have lots of tools you can use, so I will use this one in here. So let's see how this come out. I did this probably 7 years ago, because normally the people just buy new alternators. Now this one probably don't have much life left, so but because it's the more cheaper option for this customer, so we will do that. So let's see. Oh, I forgot something. I need an adapter for that. It's a little bit of playing noise in the background. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. I think it's a little bit difficult. Just try to hold alternate and see. Oh dear. Right, so just have to see where he. Okay, so need to this one have to go backwards, so this tool have to go like that, and that one have to go like that. So I was doing right. Probably I will need a bar on it, but I will try. So try plan B. This is very tight guys, so you probably need a bar. Right, so yes, this have to go like that, and the other one have to go like that. Thing is, this thing is very tight. Oh dear. I think really sometimes for the hassle is better to buy a new alternator. Just trying to see a way. I don't know if it's because it's seized. That will be more difficult to take it off. I don't know. I don't think so. I know this have to come like that. Right, just need to get the new one to have a look. Just have to. So a second, guys. Back in a minute. Alright, this is not very good news. This is very tight. Look, I just broke the tool. The only tool I got for this, just broke. So I don't know really what's happening here. But this don't want to come off. Yeah, just need a plan to make this come out, because this will be a pain. The last time I did an Renault, it was exactly the same, but I never broke any tools. But now looks like it. The tools don't will last long. Hello guys. Well, this is very difficult task. I still in here after half an hour, and this tool, yeah, try this machine and this tool as well is start going. I don't know what else to do in here. That's why sometimes it's not worth it. You just spend time in here, just get a new alternator and that's it, because this is a pain. And I'm trying to do everything to undo this, but for some reason it don't budge. So tell you what, I'm trying hard. Like you can see, that's the way you have to go, and the shaft have to go in another way. So even if I try it and I lock it, don't budge. And I start feel dizzy already because I'm doing too much force in here. But what does happen in here is just a tool. I will break another tool. Seagulls, hate birds. So I don't know what else to do. That's the bigger tool I got for that, and there's nothing else I can do really. I know sometimes it sounds is the cheaper way, but sometimes the cheaper way is the more hard way for the mechanics work. No, he don't go, he don't. So what I will try to do maybe is go to a friend's house. He got a vise, and we try put on a vise and see if we can take this off, but probably in a vise will be easier, so we will try. So we have to wait. Let's see what we can do about that. Hello guys, new fix here. Okay, so the Insignia already got its new alternator and the noise disappeared. 100% the noise gone. Okay, so this is the alternator from the Insignia. So like you can see, that was the problem with the pulley, and I don't know if you can see inside, so I will show you better so you know what I mean. So if you see, you can see that inside the alternator, when you spin, look, if you do like that, you just keep going the same time as the pulley goes. They should have a clutch. You can see it. So if you spin and you stop the wheel, then he's still going inside and he stops. So the clutch is gone in this car. This is another alternator. This is from a Volkswagen, but that's the same procedure he does. But this one actually is good, only was the brushes gone. But the pulley, let me see if I can film. Have a look. See? You see? Look. You see? So you stop the pulley, but inside still going. See? That's the way it should be, okay? So if you got that audible noise, like you see on the video, try change the pulley. But I will tell you, I don't even bother, because the alternator, it will probably eventually die after, because the brushes is 100,000 miles. So just get a reconditioned unit, like I did, on eBay for her, and everything is fine. She's driving, she's happy, no noise, everything good. And this one now will go back to the supplier, so you can refurbish and then sell again. And this one is from a Volkswagen, going to be in anyway. But that's the issue, okay guys? I hope this helped you out. So this is the thing. So if your car do an audible flapping noise around, the only thing you have to do first is take the alternator belt out, take the car for a drive. Take the car for a drive, everything is quiet, the noise disappear, you know it's the alternator, okay? You put a new alternator and the noise will disappear and you are safe. So stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day, because in here it's raining today.